Guys, welcome to Colossus Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. In today's class, I want to talk about absolute value inequality. In my last class, I discussed about absolute value equation and we saw some questions. So if you haven't seen that video, you can click on the link in the description to watch that. So in this video, I'm talking about absolute value inequality and we are going to be applying some inequality rules to these questions. All right, so let's start with the first question. So the first thing you have to know about this is that it is in the form of x, absolute value of x less than m, less than or equals to m. If you have something like this, you just have it to be minus m less than or equals to x less than or equals to m. It is a rule that we need to apply. So if you are doing that for the first question, so the first question says the absolute value of x minus 2 is less than 3. So I'm just going to have x minus 2 less than 3 less than minus 3. Can you see that now? Then from here, make x because of formula in the middle here. So I'm going to have minus 3 is 2 cross here to become plus 2 less than x. Then this less than 3. The 2 cross this place become what? Plus 2. So this minus 2 minus 3 plus 2 give me minus 1 less than x less than 5. So this is the solution of this set. Can you see that? So this is the solution. So we have minus 1 less than equals to x less than 5. So that's for question 1. Then question 2, we have the absolute value of 2x minus 5 less than equals to 11. So this will become, it will become 2x minus 5 less than equals to 11 less than equals to minus 11. Can you see now? So make x equal to formula that will be minus 11 plus 5 less than equals to 2x less than equals to 11 plus 5. Are you seeing that now? Just like the principle we applied under absolute value equation. So minus 5 plus 11 will give us minus 6 less than equals to 2x less than equals to, this will give us what? 16. Can you see that now? So divide everything by 2. If you divide 2 by 2, you are going to have minus 3 less than equals to x less than equals to, divided by 3 by 2, you have what? 8. So this is the solution. So the third one now. So the question here is to be 2. So I have number 3, which is absolute value of 5 plus 5x minus 3 greater than 2. So first bring this to this side. So we have 5 plus 5x less than, greater than 5, like that, because this will come here and become plus. Then I'll now have 5 plus 5x greater than 5 greater than minus 5. All right? Yes. Minus 5. So if I'm doing that, that will become minus 5 minus 5 greater than 5x greater than 5 minus 5. Can you see what I'm doing there? Alright, so this will become minus 10 greater than 5x greater than 0. If you divide through by, sorry, this has to change, this has to change to less than, that's a rule, less than. So this will become, divide both sides by 5, and we have minus 10 over 5 less than 5x over 5, just like I've been doing before, less than 0 over 5. So that will be minus 2 less than x less than 0. So that is the solution for that question. So to the next question, number 4. I have 3x minus 4 plus 9 greater than 5. So let me write this. So greater than 5. So this will become 3x minus 4 greater than 5 minus 9. And that will be 3x minus 4 greater than minus 4. You can see here we have positive on this side and we have negative on this side. So because of that, there is no solution to this. So no solution to that particular question because both sides are not positive. I explained that while I was doing this. Alright, so to the next question, number 5, we have 4x minus 3 less than or equal to 11. So that will become 4x minus 3 greater than less than equals to 11 less than equals to minus 11. Alright, so that become minus 11 plus 3 less than equals to 4x less than equals to 11 plus 3. So I draw this here and also bring it to this side. So if you do this, we have minus 8 less than equals to 4x less than equal to 14. Divide everything by 4. If you divide this by 4, you have minus 2 less than equals to x less than equals to this divided by 4 will be 7 over 2. So that is the solution to this question. So to the last one before we wrap up for today. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Alright. So to the last question today, this one will be solved in a more different way. To be solved in a more different way. Alright. Question as absolute value of x minus 2 less than absolute value of 3 minus 2x. So the first thing you are going to do is to square both sides. So you have x minus 2 all squared less than 3 minus 2x all squared. Alright. So if you square this, you are going to have x squared minus 4x plus 4 less than. If you square this, you are going to have 9 minus 12x plus 4x squared. Alright, so that's what we are going to have there. If you collect like 10 now, if you collect like 10, you are going to have x squared minus 4x squared minus 4x plus 12x plus 4 minus 9 less than 0. So this will give you minus 3x squared. This will give us minus, this will give us minus 4 minus this, that will give us 8. Alright, that will give us 8x. Then this and this will give us what? Minus 5 less than 0. So I'm going to divide 2 by minus. And you know, dividing 2 by minus will make the inequality sign to change. So this will become 3x squared minus 8, plus 8x plus 5 greater than 0. Alright, so I need to solve this now quadratically. If I'm solving this quadratically, a single number that when you multiply together, you will have 15, and when you add together, you will have 8. That is 5 and 3. 5 times 3 is 15, 5 plus 3 is 8. So that will be 3x squared plus 5x plus 3. Let me start 3x, then 5 x plus 5 than 0. So this will be 3x squared plus 3x plus 5x plus 5 greater than 0. So this will be what's come between this, that's 3x. Then this will be x plus 1. Alright, then plus 5 is common here, that's x plus 1 greater than 0. So this will be 3x plus 5, 3x plus 5, then x plus 1 greater than 0. So this will be 3x plus 5 greater than 0, or x plus 1 greater than 0. So I will have 3x greater than 3x greater than minus 5, then x will be what? X will be greater than minus 5 over 3, or x is greater than minus 1. So I have it as x greater than minus 5 over 3, or x greater than minus 1. So which of these will be value if I'm to write it in form of a set? So I can have, if x is lesser than, if x is greater than this, that means I can also express this as minus 1 less than x, because it says x is greater than minus 1. So I can also say minus 1 is less than x. Then here, I can also see here that minus 5 over 3 is less than what? X. Or let me just leave it as greater. Alright, so my value, my solution will now be minus 1 less than x less than minus 5 over 3. Alright, so this is where I'm going to stop for today. Thank you very much for watching, and do well to share our videos to your friends and loved ones. Thank you very much once again, and do have a great day. See you in next class.